Understanding the Night Shift, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in the English language, the night shift. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding common phrases like this one is crucial. So, let's dive in and learn what the night shift means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The term, the night shift, refers to the work schedule or period of work that takes place during the nighttime. Typically, this means working hours that start in the late evening and end in the early morning. It's a common term in workplaces that operate 24 hours a day, such as hospitals, factories, and some stores. To help you understand how the night shift is used, let's look at a few examples. My brother works the night shift at the hospital, so he sleeps during the day. The night shift at the factory is from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. Working the night shift can be challenging, but it pays better. These examples show the versatility of the phrase and how it can be applied to different contexts and job types. Working the night shift comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Let's explore some of them. Advantages. Higher pay. Often, night shift workers receive a higher rate of pay due to the inconvenience and health risks associated with nighttime work. Quieter work environment. With fewer people around, some find it easier to focus and work efficiently. Disadvantages. Health risks. Disrupted sleep patterns can lead to health issues. Social life impact. Working nights can make it harder to spend time with family and friends who have standard daytime schedules. Understanding these aspects can help English learners comprehend the full context of the phrase. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of the night shift for you. Remember, learning phrases like this can significantly enhance your English language skills and help you communicate more effectively in various situations. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for more English language learning tips. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.